Funky D. Welcome back once again. Yes, I see Nigerian government. Una don't go carry Chinese people, Chinese doctors, according to the way when una claim. Say na Chinese doctors when una bring come to Nigeria. We don't want to say if Chinese people come to that country, coronavirus matter will get out of hand. Okay, take a look at what happened in Kano State. You go fit go China, enter flight, go China, whether na poto you use go there, whether na ordinary water you use go there, you go fit go there without invitation or without visa. You go just carry flight, go land China. Then born you well. Just exactly what Nigerian government claim, say not be them invite those Chinese doctors. You not invite them, but they land. And when they tell the world, say, now some Chinese companies, when they Nigeria, that then invite them come. Without invitation letter, they just land. Okay, try am. You won't be the fake president when everybody they call. Try am. Just take your flight. Or you won't be APC member. Just waka, enter China without visa or without invitation. Make you see whether you go land in that country. Whether that moment when you land, whether not be arrest, you go get. Now, APC people, they tell us every day, Buhari, in pictures. Now they show us where Buhari dey, who Buhari be. Say na pictures we could always see. So, Nigerian people, if we not disgrace this Buhari, if this Buhari not get enough disgrace before 2023, now so, una go see Buhari in picture. Now so, they're going to show you the Buhari inside picture 24 hours. A president will be seen only inside picture. Then they show Ona, when be Nigerian people, the Ona Buhari. But when Ona they vote for her in 2015, according to Ona, and 2019, Ona they see the man. Suddenly, Una not see Buhari again. Suddenly, na picture, channel television, they take show na Buhari say. This person, when they fast rock, need a thorough disgrace. Una need to bring this man out. This man, when I talk say, na Buhari, so that the world will see whether na that Buhari. Okay? Now, Kemi Oluloya, the same woman again, she don't bust out again in her Twitter. Whether on Twitter she dey tweet to, whether on Facebook she dey go write, wetin she dey write to. Funky D no know, and Funky D no one know again. The woman don't come out now again, come dey talk say, one prominent politician in that Nigeria, one prominent politician, that's what she talking. Say, the person have to come out and the person want to come out to beg people when in don't infect with coronavirus. Say the person get coronavirus. She said one prominent politician in that Nigeria carry coronavirus and then don't carry this coronavirus. Give plenty people in that Nigeria. Say the person will soon come out and must to come out. Come apologize. But the lady, she not talk who the person be. She not mention any name. But she not point any finger. Already, we know the people when she dey talk about. We know the group of people when she dey talk about. Because since that Abba Kyari, the time when the man dey alive, people when they don't meet all these big politicians, all of them get the koro for body. Then they do kati. And majority of them, they inside their house. they buy medicine, they take treat themselves. Shame, not they let them come out. Can't tell Nigerian people see, then get the thing. But why una they hide? Why una they hide when somebody like Boris Johnson come out tell the world say ain't get the thing? A lot of people come out when we see them be rich people. In this same world when all of us dey, then they come out, they declare, say, then get the thing. Why una no go come out? Come declare say una get them. So now so the same Kemi Oluloya talk again after she done disgrace herself when she go lie about Nnamdi Kanu. Now Nnamdi Kanu, he don't come out yesterday, do his broadcast as in they do him before, as usual, to his fans, to the world, because in just show Kemi Oluloya and APC people, including the PDP people, say him not be among the Kabas. Him can never live in life like the Kabas. Say him, now him be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. So I don't know where that Kemi Oluloya go put her face right now. Think she go put her face in shame, because the whole thing when she go talk about Nnamdi Kanu na force. Now only the Kabas, now only them they hide. Now only the Kabas know how to lie. Now only Buhari and Osebanjo now when they not see again. That one when Nnamdi Kanu run Tennessee, Osebanjo they don't hijack Osebanjo. They don't hold Osebanjo to ransom somewhere. COVID-19 as well. Everything. So who know whether na Osebanjo, Kemi Oluloya they try to talk about, or whether na Bola Tinubu, because all these people, all of them, they very, very close to that Abba Kyari, when they call Buhari. Now, Abba Kyari don't die. Una still continue on Buhari when nobody they see. The news they tell us say no fewer than 150 travelers have been arrested in Enugu State for defying the government lockdown order. Daily Post, now in the report them. See, they don't catch 150 people when no agree do the lockdown, when government say made a lockdown. Now only this southeastern part of the country, then they arrest all this kind of arrest when they arrest. But the northern part, they not get time. That is to show you, see, these northerners, they not be Nigerian people, because their way of living is different. And the southeastern part of the country, their way of living is different. So they are not the same country, because now different laws, now they take, they operate in. The northern part of the country get their own law, and the southeastern part of the country, or the southeast, or the south-south, all of them get their own different law where they take, they operate. So they don't catch 150 people when not agree abide to the lockdown. So to Nigerian people, when they say make on a lockdown, make on at least respect the lockdown order, because this disease not be small thing. We already know say the government not provide, but your life is very, very much important. That place where you they go today, tomorrow you go get sickness for body. I don't hear what happened in Kano State. 150 people died. But the Ganduji, they come and they deny, say, not be COVID-19, kill those people. And say, na only 13 people. Say, the report na false report. Una know who Ganduji be. Una know who APC people be. Una still know who PD people be. They know they talk the truth. You no go ever hear the truth from these people mouth. Whether Ganduji talk, Ganduji not talk, everybody don't say and say now 150 people died. So Ganduji, make you stop lying. If 150 people not die, what make you come out now? Can they ask for 15 billion when you want to take build what you want build regarding the coronavirus? Because you don't come out, they ask government, say they give you 15 billion. Since Lagos State don't get 10 billion and the other state again don't get 5 billion. Say if they give you the 15 billion, say you go happy. So if you know say the thing never touch you, why are you requesting for such amount of money? And make una not forget, say the oil when they take they make faga braga. Oil don't go. Oil era don't sink down. Crude oil now, -0 now. So we won't see waiting these people won't take continue to the deal with Nigerian people. Or waiting they won't still take to recall one Nigeria, since the oil matter don't go down. Oil, a barrel now minus 0. So the money, the small one will remain for our treasury. Now him, they won't lay their hand upon. After they don't loot all the whole money, after they don't sell and share, kill and divide. Now, the small one when remain now then go dry the treasury. Bata. Because nothing. Oye, now they bring 1 kobo again to Nigerian government pockets. You see? So that's so the Matabio, the impostor, when did that place? I see if una no bring that man out, Nigeria no go ever get peace. Nigeria no go ever get any peace. Oh nah, don't tell them when they travel by land, these people now they catch them between Enugu State and Kogi borders. Now they take catch this 150 people. Even they don't talk, say the people when be say, men, make una dey very, very careful. Make una dey very, very careful, because what is coming, not be smarting. What is coming, not be smarting. Some group don't come out. The group what they call NLC, they don't write to una impostor when they ask on extension of the lockdown. The Nigerian Labour Congress, NLC, has warned President Muhammadu Buhari against extension lockdown despite increase in cases of coronavirus. Look, only thing now when we will talk about the lockdown, me personally, lockdown a very good thing. That lockdown, now him go make Nigerian people get small death toll. But if we now begin to the waka up and down, everybody go carry this disease in that Nigeria. Una never still hear word. The only place when I get problem on this lockdown be say the government not provide for the masses. The government not they give any palliative. The money when they say some people don't contribute, some World Bank and some other countries they don't contribute, give Nigeria. Even the ones where they say the private sectors that contribute, nobody see that money. All of them enter story. This is the only place when I get a little bit concerned. Government supposed to give people palliative. Government supposed to give people things in abundance. They paid owner every month. But if you begin to think, say, the lockdown matter not make any sense, brother, you dey lie to yourself. Oh. You dey lie to yourself. Una got to be very, very careful. The lockdown is important. But the only blame when go to the government be say they not provide. So una go try to balance this thing so that the lockdown go begin to the work. Because if una begin to say una the right, who una the right, well we don't know the impostor when they for Asurok, una the right and say make it not extend again. Una go get problem. Nigeria go get problem, belefu. Make una not forget say the WHO don't warn how many people when go die in Africa. Every hand they point Nigeria. If una don't know now, make una know. So these people now they say they don't write President Muhammadu Buhari. So the NLC in a letter signed by its president, Mr. Ayuba Waba, said there would likely be social unrest if the current lockdown imposed on some states is extended. The man urged Buhari to consider the welfare of Nigerians as well as insecurity before making any decision. The NLC warned that Nigeria economy might relapse into prolonged coma if the lockdown is extended beyond 27. Look, all this unrest, we want to talk on to they make mouth. We don't tell una see the country not scatter. We don't tell una see make una stand up. We don't tell una see revolution now. We don't tell una see make the country divide. These APC people, they cannot handle nothing. Nothing. But we don't see Nigerian people say then they make that then they loud too much. Then they very, very loud. Too much talk, no action. Una know see no be Buhari did there. Una know see government not there in place. Una know see Nigeria not get president. Una know all these things. So una Buhari, so una go continue to the suffer, and the man go still prolong the lockdown, and nothing go still happen, and hungry go mama una. Now so the matter be. So Mr. President, if you dey lock down, wetin you dey lock down, make you dey give them palliative. Make you dey give them palliative before hunger go first kill everybody when you claim say you dey rule. One love, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.